Natural firewood is great, sure. It serves its purpose. It burns the wood. But here, at the Freedomville Lodge of Excellence, we like to use supernatural firewood. It has been cursed by black magic in the woods by wizards, and has been proven to unnaturally burn longer than the other logs. It also comes in 5 different scents. That's right, 5 different scents, including elk's blood, frosted dead oak, witch's brew, and black magic cooch. Beautiful. And that's how it'll fade out.
So that's it?
That's it. It's a really short infomercial.
You think people are going to buy it?
Probably.